Hey guys, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com, and today we're gonna fix one of the biggest reasons websites fail to make money online, the Google AdSense low value content error.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting, so make sure you stick around.
Now here's the important part. This video is just a quick practical walkthrough, but I also created a detailed step-by-step blog post with a full AdSense approval checklist, real examples and advanced fixes that most creators completely ignore. So make sure you check the article linked in the description below after watching this video, because it could save you weeks or even months of failed AdSense applications. And trust me, some of the mistakes we'll talk about today are silently killing website approvals, even on sites getting thousands of visitors. So let's get started. First, when Google rejects your AdSense application, you'll usually see a message saying, "We found policy violations along with low-value content." Google basically tells you that your website doesn't meet their content quality standards yet. Once you fix the issues, you can click on Request Review and submit your website again for approval. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes. The first problem is thin content. A lot of websites publish very short articles with little useful information. Google wants detailed, valuable, and well-structured content. If your article only explains things briefly without depth, Google assumes the content is low quality. So instead of writing short 300-word posts, try creating detailed guides that actually solve problems for readers. The second problem is oversaturated topics. For example, if you write generic articles like how to make money blogging without adding anything unique, your site becomes just another copy of thousands of existing websites. You need unique angles, original insights, personal experience, or better explanations. That's what increases content value. Now here comes one of the biggest reasons websites are getting rejected lately: AI-generated spam content. Yes, AI tools are useful, but if you simply generate articles with AI and publish them without editing, Google can easily detect low-quality automation. And there's another major issue: AI-generated images. A lot of website owners fill their blogs with low-quality AI images that look fake or unnatural.
This is becoming one of the biggest reasons behind low-value content errors today. If your site is overloaded with obvious AI images, replace them with real screenshots, original graphics, charts, or authentic visuals related to your topic. Now, before we continue, if you want more blogging tips, AI tools, SEO tutorials, and monetization strategies that actually work, make sure you subscribe right now and share this video with another creator struggling with AdSense approval. Because one good fix can literally turn a rejected website into a monetized business. Now let's continue. Another important factor is EEAT. This stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Google wants to know whether your website looks credible.
If your site has no authority, no organic traffic, no author pages, and no trust signals, getting AdSense approval becomes much harder. That's why it's usually better to apply for AdSense after your website starts getting consistent organic traffic from Google search. Next problem: empty category pages and broken links. This is something many beginners ignore completely. For example, maybe your website has categories with no posts inside them, or you have pages returning errors and broken links. These issues make your website look incomplete and poorly maintained. Before applying for AdSense, go through your site carefully and clean everything up. Remove empty categories, fix broken links, delete unnecessary pages, make your website look professional. Another important thing is website structure. Your site should have essential pages like About Us, Contact, Privacy Policy, Terms and Conditions. Without these pages, your website looks untrustworthy to Google. Also, make sure your website is mobile friendly and loads quickly. A slow website with bad navigation can also hurt your chances of approval. And finally, focus on consistency. Don't publish 50 low-quality articles quickly just to apply for AdSense. Instead, publish fewer but higher quality posts consistently. Quality always beats quantity. So to summarize, write detailed original content, avoid copied or heavily AI-generated articles, replace fake AI images with authentic visuals, build trust and authority, fix empty pages and broken links. Improve your website structure and user experience, and wait until your site gets some organic traffic before applying. If you fix these issues properly, your chances of getting AdSense approval increase dramatically. And before you leave, don't forget to check the full detailed article linked in the description below. In that post, I break down even more advanced fixes, SEO optimization tips, AdSense approval strategies, and real examples that can help you get approved faster. So definitely open the link after this video and bookmark it for later because it's one of the most useful AdSense resources I've published. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more blogging tutorials, SEO strategies, AI tools, and online income tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raqmedia for more AI tutorials, tech tools, and productivity hacks. This is your host Ezzedine, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.